and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we've got another Dollskill haul. Now this video is mainly oriented around the world of denim, so I just live in denim clothes. I know I'm not wearing anything denim right now, but I just really like denim, and Dollskill has quite the funky denim collection. So that being said, I have a cute little box of it here. Ta-da! So you can see there's some interesting patterns going on here, so let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is a pair of jeans, and I am obsessing over these. I really hope they fit. They are just the funkiest pair of jeans I think I've seen in a while. So these are by Horoscope, and they're just kind of like high-waisted mum jeans, but they've got all this sort of patterns going down it of, I don't know what this is actually showing, but it's something interesting. I think it is something to do with horoscopes. That would make sense. But then high-waisted, I got them in a size small. They're so stretchy, which is just amazing because they don't look like stretchy jeans. They kind of look like they'd be solid denim, but I can be doing squats in these and be very comfortable, so that's very exciting. So I think these are going to look great with like a plain colour top, especially in like springtime. I'm just going to look so cool, like with a nice belt. I'm feeling it. So let's go put them on and see what they look like. So this is how they fit, and I am actually so shocked how well they fit. The waist is like made for me, they're super stretchy and comfy, and they just fit brilliantly. I'm actually so excited for these. Like, I love the blues and greens in them. They're a bit more skinny fit than I was expecting. I thought they'd kind of be more like mum jeans, but no, they're super funky. I just love them. Let me know what you think, but I think with like a nice plain white top in the summer, they're going to be amazing. Or in the spring, they're just so comfy to wear. I'm actually kind of shocked at how well they fit, and it just has made me love them even more. So let me know what you think, but I love these. So the next item I got is just the cutest denim dress. Like, have you ever seen a pink denim dress like anywhere, let alone one with strawberries on? So funny enough, I actually have green wedges, and I thought this would look so cute with my green shoes because it's got green in it. But it's just a really cute kind of little mini denim dress for the summer or for spring, and it's so stretchy. Like, the stretch denim is getting so good nowadays. Like, to think I ever have to wear denim that doesn't have stretching, it's just not the case. Like, look at that. It's so stretchy. I'm so excited to try this on. I think it's gonna look so cute, and the straps, they're adjustable, which is amazing, and it's got a nice zip, so it should be easy to get on and off. So let's see what it looks like. I got it in a size small, and it looks like it's gonna fit nice. So fingers crossed, let's go put it on. So this is how it fits, and I'm obsessed with it. It's just the cutest little dress. It fits me perfectly. It really goes in at my waist, and there's just enough room everywhere. It is a little short, but I think for summer it is just so cute. I just love the strawberries all over it. Like, isn't it just adorable? And I really like the neckline as well. And the straps are adjustable, which is brilliant. And I just think it's a really flattering fit. So no, I really like this one. Love it. Next thing I got is a two-piece, both denim, which is really cute, and this is the top. So I think you buy the top and the shorts separately, but I'll link it all down below so you can check it out. And it's just this sort of like sweetheart studded denim top, and I just thought that is so cute. Like, I could wear that with any pair of shorts and it would be cute. Not sure how these straps work. Like, I'm not gonna lie, my boobs do not sit that low, so I'm definitely gonna have to play around with how these work. I think it maybe double straps it. That might make sense. I'll look at how the model wears it and then try and work it out, because right now, this is not made for a human. So we'll figure that out in a second. So I got the top in a size small, and these are the shorts, which I got in a medium just because they look a little bit on the short side. So I thought, size up for safety reasons and wear a belt. But they've got the same sort of studded pattern going around the pockets, and I just thought they were really cute. So fingers crossed it fits and works, but I think the top will look cute nonetheless once I work out how to do those straps. But yes, this is from Club X on Dollskill. So no, really like this. Not stretchy denim though, this one. This is sturdy denim, so it'll either fit or it won't. This is how this one fits, and I actually really like it. I think the shorts, I wouldn't have been able to get away with a small. Like, these were borderline a little bit small getting on, but once they're on, they're good. And I love the fit of the top. I worked out how to do the strap, so I've turned it into a halter. It's just a really cute set. Let me know what you think, but especially for like a festival or if I go on holiday somewhere, I just really like it. It's just something a little bit different. But the shorts are a teeny bit short, but I think I can get away with it because they're kind of like hip huggers. They're all right, just about. But that's normal with shorts. It's always a nightmare trying to find ones that fit. I end up just making my own. But yeah, so this is how it fits and I like it. I think it works, but let me know what you think. I lied. I didn't just get denim, so I also got this two-piece from Sugar Thrills, and it's just got all this fruit all over it. So they've currently got like the coolest range going on where you can get like matching shoes to your outfits. I decided not to do that because funny enough, I have lots of shoes, and I thought if I start literally having shoes that match the print of certain outfits, I don't know where to put them. So I decided to play it safe and just get the outfits not with the matching shoes. So it's just this sort of like sweetheart top with little puffy sleeves, and it ties in the middle and it's stretchy at the back, and I thought, you know what, that in the summer, either with the matching skirt or with just jeans or shorts, is gonna look so cute. So I got it in a small. Obviously you can adjust the tie at the front to fit you, so kind of versatile, and it's got adjustable straps. Like, how cool is that? I love it. And then the skirt just is so cute as well. I kind of wish the skirt was a skirt, just because it's not very long and the waist looks a little big, so I think it's gonna like sit on my hips, but we'll see what it looks like on. I like the ruffles, but if these were shorts, it would just be so brilliant. I love a good skirt. I just feel so safe in them. But I got it in a size small, so we're gonna see what it fits like, and I just love the print. Like, how cute is that for summer, just with fruit all over it? So really like the set. Not sure if the skirt's gonna fit, but only one way to find out. So I'll go throw this one on. But this is how it fits, and it's just so cute. The skirt actually fits a lot better than I thought. It kind of sits really nice at like the base of my waist, which is actually where I would put it. It is a little bit on the short side. I would love if it was shorts, but it works. As long as it's not too windy, I think I can make it work. And the top, I can see myself wearing it with like a lot of other things. I need to tighten the straps slightly, but I think it'll look so cute with a lot of other things, not just the matching skirt. So it's quite a versatile, cute top. So I really like this one. I can see myself wearing it with the skirt, but I'll probably wear the top more just on its own, I think. But let me know what you think of it together. It is definitely a very cute look, I think. And I just love how the fruit looks. Like, it's just so cute for summer. So I really like the print, and it's just very kind of like flamenco-y with the little frills. So no, it's very feminine. I like it. Let me know what you think. The next thing I got is just the cutest little top. Like, I hope this fits. I'm a bit, what's it doing? So it's got this sort of like twist going on in the front. It's like a halter with a twist, and then the back of it. I think this is gonna look really odd, not on a body. But I thought this with like white jeans in the summer, I'm just gonna look like the cutest little like picnic girl. I just love it. Whether it fits, that's another question, but I think it will. It feels a bit like a swimming costume, but that could be really nice in the summer. So I'm getting a bit tangled here. So that is what goes around my back, then that goes around my head, and then it's got this sort of like tie in the middle of my boobs. So I'm intrigued to see what this one looks like, but excited. So let's go pop it on. So I think it fits, but it's definitely on the small side. So I think I need a medium this one, but I think with like white jeans or shorts, it would look cute, but I'm a tiny bit suffocated and I have to make sure I keep pulling it down. Otherwise it escapes out the base. But definitely cute. It's an option. I feel like kind of like a cute farmer girl. I don't know. I doubt a farmer girl would wear this, but let me know what you think. But it's just a little bit higher rise than I thought it was going to be. It looks a bit like a bikini top, in my opinion, but cute nonetheless. So the last thing I got is the cutest denim bra top. Like, look at that. I love all the different colored denims together, and this one kind of reminds me of like a top of a pair of trousers, the way they've got the button in the middle. So I really hope this one looks cute. It's got this kind of adjustable back going on with these 3 straps and this O-ring. So I think I can play with it and hopefully make it fit. And then the back is just like a stretchy thing here. So I'm gonna have a play around with this one and then pop it on and we can see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and I think it's a really good fit actually. It fits me really nicely. I feel quite supportive in it. It looks hella cute. I just really love the design of it, and the back of it is very cute as well with the sort of It's like a racer back design, so I really like that. But no, I really like this one. I'm not sure if I'd wear it just on its own. It would have to be really hot for that, and England unfortunately just doesn't allow for that. But it is just a really cute denim sort of bra top, so I'm not sure what I'll wear it with or what I'll wear it under, but I definitely want to wear it as an outfit. So no, I'll have a think about this one, but it's very cute, isn't it? It fits me really nice, so that's the first thing, and now I've just got to work out what to wear it with. Dollskill, they do matching shorts with this one, but they definitely wouldn't be decent on me. They would be more like bikini bottoms, but I can't get denim wet. Like, I don't think that would work. So I'm gonna have to think about this one. Let me know if you've got any ideas. Maybe if I made like a really high-waisted skirt. Ooh, maybe just a high-waisted denim skirt. Like, if it comes to about here, then that basically works, and I could wear it as a top. Yes, that works in my head, so I'm gonna wear this as a top. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got, and I'll link them all down below if you'd like to check any out. I'll also link all my social media, so I do have an OnlyFans and a Patreon, along with a second channel and an Instagram, if you'd like to check any of that out, but you can find it all in the description box below. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you next time.